Dosto, let me make one blunt statement. Whatsoever qualification you have got, whatsoever technical qualification you have got, whatsoever domain knowledge you have, that will definitely make you successful. But that success will remain to the extent of 15% only. How about the remaining 85%? That 85% goes to the soft skills. And this is what we are going to discuss about the 5 important soft skills which you must command or have a expertise in 2026. As the failure doesn't happen because of lack of knowledge, but it happens because of lack of the soft skills. And let us learn these 5 important soft skills. It is emotional intelligence, adaptability, critical thinking, ethical adjustment with AI, and the digital fluency. These are the most important 5 skills we must learn. Let us start with the first skills, that is adaptability. Because दोस्तों आज the way the things are moving, the way the things are changing, the change is the only constant thing. And we as a businessman, as a professional, as an employee, as a student, we must prepare ourselves to accept the change, to adopt the change. And let us look at what are the likely changes in my profession, in my business, and how am I going to meet those changes. So I will have to be adaptable with the market, adapt with the market trend, adapt with the technology, adoption with the AI knowledge, and that is what is the most important. Now let's go to the second aspect, and that second aspect is emotional intelligence. देखो दोस्तों आज 2026 में हम लोग जब काम करते हैं तो वी मे हैव लॉट्स ऑफ प्रेशर्स. ये प्रेशर में से आज मुझे ये देखना है, एम आई गोइंग टू कंट्रोल माई इमोशंस, एम आई अंडरस्टैंडिंग माई ओन इमोशंस, कैन आई अंडरस्टैंड द इमोशंस ऑफ द अदर पर्सन, कैन आई रेगुलेट माई इमोशंस. ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है क्योंकि जब हम लोग टीम में काम करते हैं, पीयर्स के साथ काम करते हैं, एंड वी आर वर्किंग विथ आवर ओन पीपल, आज यू शुड नॉट गेट डिस्टर्ब बाय द वेरियस प्रेशर्स. आज हमें इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस अडॉप्ट करना ही जरूरी है. एंड उसके लिए हमें सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, सेल्फ रेगुलेशन, ये दोनों ही चीज़ पे एक्सपर्टाइज मिलाने का बहुत जरूर है. द थर्ड थिंग इज क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. एज यू नो फ्रेंड्स, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग is the acutely needed skill in 21st century. आज whatsoever job we are doing, whatsoever things we are performing, we will have to go little deep into it. We will have to be little analytical about the things. आज मुझे I should adopt a practice of asking the questions, asking the relevant questions, and keep on getting the answers for this. क्योंकि आज के ज़माने में unless you ask the question, it's very difficult to arrive at the goal which you have desired to go for it. आज हमें जब कुछ भी काम करते हैं, any job we are performing, before taking any decision, we will have to see that what are the likely consequences of this. Is it going to make a loss for the profitability of the organization, और इसके लिए for each and every person the critical thinking is the most important skill which we must expertise. The fourth one is digital fluency. Today in 2026, everybody has to have this fluency in a digital sense. आज we will have to learn different systems, different technologies which will help us to become expertise. क्योंकि because of using this technology, your task is going to be very easy, and you will have to keep on learning various new technology, and this digital fluency will definitely save our time, will save our energy, and this will be keep giving a faster output, and that's why the digital fluency is again very important. Then the last thing is the ethical judgment about the AI. आज हम लोग AI के साथ काम करना for us, it has become a very usual thing. As we know, everybody in a small way or big way making the use of this AI. लेकिन ये AI का जब हम लोग यूज करते हैं तो हमारे जो कॉम्प्लेक्स टास्क है, ये टास्क तो बिल्कुल ईजी हो रहे हैं, लेकिन ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट आज हमें उसके साथ एथिकल डिसीजन मेकिंग इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, क्योंकि आज AI विल सपोर्ट अस टू हैव वेरियस कॉम्प्लेक्स जॉब, लेकिन हम कौन सा भी जब डिसीजन लेते हैं तो वी विल हैव टू सी दैट ह्यूमन कंसर्न is to be always kept in the mind, and ethical things are the most important, and that is what we love to do. दोस्तों, आज हमें degrees will not save our job, but these 5 important soft skills will definitely make us successful. If you need any assistance, you can always rely on us. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much.